Hi guys, it's Marky. What's up? It's Sunday, January 5, 2025. We're going to Walt Disney World, Magic Kingdom. We're going to buy Lightning Lane. We're going to try it out. We're going to meet up with our Miami friends. You know them from the cruise vlog. Helen and her daughter Cassandra and Cassandra's husband Juan. We're all getting Lightning Lane. So we are each paying $29. Let's see how many rides we can do in one day. Now we're not going to be there all day, just like about lunchtime to when it starts to get dark, which is about 6 p.m. It's holiday season and Magic Kingdom has been packed. Epcot and Magic Kingdom did reach capacity on New Year's Eve. When we get there, we're gonna buy the cheeseburger spring rolls, which we love, they're so good. We're gonna eat them right there on the terrace at Cosmic Rays, and right across is gonna be our first ride, which is Tomorrowland Speedway. You can only buy the spring rolls at the entrance to Adventureland, so you can buy them there and take them wherever you want. We brought them over here to Tomorrowland. All right, here we go. And we're off to the races. There's Cassandra. My friend Cassandra's up there. Wow, they still have the Christmas overlays here. It is January 5th today. It's a Sunday. Yeah, they have so many of the Christmas overlays up still, and they look beautiful at night. Now they just look white, but very pretty at night. There's Tron and there's Space Mountain. There's Tron right there. The PeopleMover. In front of me are pretty slow. I'm not giving it any gas. There. Ooh, there's Dumbo. Dumbo ride. for 11 right here. There they come. They had to pull up Helen out of the car. You had to pull her, give her a good... They had to yank you out of there, man. Tried to get a lightning lane here for Seven Dwarfs, but they're sold out for today. Mine train ride. Today they're doing the parade only at 3 o'clock, so at 12 they had the friendship fair. Ooh, they're selling my favorite treats right here. Mickey Mouse ice cream bar. They have 72 horses that you can ride here at the carousel, so there's a good chance you can get on even if there's a line. It's right across from Pillar of Magic and next to the castle, or behind the castle. There's no lightning lane available for Peter Pan's flight, not until 10 p.m. tonight. Isn't that incredible? Small World is available for lightning lane and for standby. Let's see how many minutes. Probably not too bad. 30 minutes, not too bad. 30 minutes. Hey, I just spotted Big Al. Look at him. Oh, he's saying hello to the kids. That's so cool. Oh, wow. Cassandra's collecting pins. So we're going to go into Frontier Trading Post where they have pins. All right, Cassandra, what are you after this time?
Nothing, honestly.
There's a wall of pins back there. Look at that. Oh, sweet. Oh, yeah, matches your shirt. Perfect.
I can't believe I found it.
Oh, wow. Aloha IO refreshments. Everyone's getting their Dole Whip today. It is delicious. And it got kind of hot. It was supposed to be pretty cold today, but I think it was only cold in the morning for a while because the sun is so hot today that even though it's in the 50s, it really warmed up. It's a good day to cool off here. Oh my God, this is so awesome. Wow, these guys are just cooling down everyone here. We did get a lightning lane for Jungle Cruise. Look at them. Wow, the backside of water.
I'm gonna sit down here and I'm gonna do that one. And if anything's bad happens to any of you while we're inside, it's okay. I'll be fine. Here we are! We have found ourselves building an elephant pig. It's actually quite special, friends. You want to take a look here in all the videos you can ever want. There's no need to be shy, okay? It looks like they all have their trunks on them. Every first one of us stop. No, drag it out.
They still have Santa on the tree here inside the Emporium. Here's another Santa. Such a classic looking Santa. Very cool. Oh, and Rudolph is up here. Man, this is a pretty tree. Yeah, this tree is really nice. You just gotta get close to see all the cool ornaments. Wow, look how pretty. Beautiful decorations still up. They have kind of like the same style tree as that other one. Very pretty. Donald Duck featured on this one. But they have all the 2025 items that we've seen at the other store the other day. But man, I love the trees, man. The trees always have some really nice ornaments on them. This side has Minnie Mouse. Our friend Cassandra's pregnant. Let's see what she's getting. Oh man, look at these, how beautiful. Let me see the other one.
Haven't
Oh
decided
wow.
yet.
Get together, guys, so I can get you before you have your baby. Hey, there they are. I guess you can say this right here is the main entrance because it has a nice castle. And so many decorations still up, but I think they're gonna be taking them down pretty soon. But yeah, they still have the garden up in this it's kind of like the center store or the middle store here. It faces Center Street, so I guess you can call it the center part of the store. Center part of the Emporium. Looks nice though. They still have the letters to Santa set up. It looks really nice. I think they did such a great job. Look at the letters popping out. One of my favorites to ride, Astro Orbiter, all the way on top. And yeah, that one is gonna be closing this year because they're gonna have maintenance done and probably gonna spruce it up a little bit. All right, they are in line because the expecting mother has decided to get this bag right here, guys. Look at this, really adorable. So she's gonna get this one for all her baby equipment, all the baby's needs. They're going for 80 bucks. Ooh, there goes the PeopleMover up there. We're gonna head to Storybook Circus because we do have a lightning lane for Dumbo. And we're gonna cut through Tron, through that new walkway, which is so cool. The view is awesome. You get to see a little bit of the Speedway, a little bit of the PeopleMover, a little bit of Tron and Space Mountain as you head on through. Space Mountain and the Tomorrowland Launch Depot. Yeah, it's really cool to see the cars passing by. Tomorrowland Speedway. Instead of walking up to the ride, what we do is we turn left. There's a sign right there that says Storybook Circus. I love this little shortcut to Dumbo, the Flying Elephant ride. I hear the train arriving at the station. Oh, there it is. It looks like Goofy flew off of the Barnstormer. The Fantasyland Railroad Station right next to the Barnstormer right here. Dumbo, the Flying Elephant right next door to Barnstormer. Goofy, the Great Goofini, appearing today. Casey Jr.'s here, the giraffes are here, and the elephants in the last cart back there. Really fun area. Usually this is shooting water so you can refresh yourself or play around. The monkeys usually have water that's spraying out of the umbrellas and some of their other items that they're carrying. Really fun place for the kids. Really great area. All right, we made it to Dumbo, Flying Elephant. There we go. Good to go. Thank you, thank you. You know what's funny? We went in all the way through the other side and wound up going through the whole tent and winding up on the opposite side. All right, I'm ready to ride. Wow, we're up there. Woo. Wow, this is fun. The view's pretty nice, man. I love it. You can see a lot. We're heading down. Wow, what a nice ride, man. That was fun, guys. That was fun. Big top souvenirs right there. Here's the main entrance to Storybook Circus right here. Man, too bad we couldn't get on. Hot fudge sundae.
Yes, sir. Refreshing.
The Rapunzel sundae.
I'm
Sandra.
basic.
Oh wow, look at that.
Chocolate.
And look at ours. We got two of these.
So the people right up.
It's showtime! Showtime? Well, I gotta open the curtains.
The sun is starting to go down as we came out of Fill Our Magic. Feels a little cooler now. This is really nice. Florida's been having such nice weather. Yeah, I've been loving this weather so much. We have a lightning lane for It's a Small World. I can't believe we're doing this one lightning lane style. Oh, cool. We get to cut in line. It is pretty busy today. Usually I'll wait it out, but today we have lightning lane, so it's pretty cool. And we're cruising, we're cruising, we're cruising. We just did the second check-in over there, right there in the corner, so now the line is not that short anymore. It looks a little bit longer now. It's so much better having the lightning lane, guys. You can enjoy it so much more. You get to do so much more. It's less annoying than having to wait around for so long. You don't waste so much time. You really enjoy more of the park. It's pretty cool. You get to do so many rides. And the second boat is the one for handicap. That's where we were last week with my mom, getting her on that same boat. All right, here we go. Entering Small World. Welcome to the happiest cruise that ever sailed. It's a very happy cruise. Are we gonna crash? Nope, we got good brakes. All right, here we go. Another ride. Had a 40-minute wait. We just walked right in. It's incredible. The lightning lane does work, guys. It does work. All right, I'm gonna battle with no one because it's only me here. Eva's battling her friend back there. There's Eva and her friend, Helen. Oh wow, this is so much fun. I'm shooting everything in sight. With my left hand, I have 400. With my right hand, I have 65,200. We're going through this tunnel right now. We're actually out in space. Ooh, the lights are turned on. Whoa. What is happening? Star Command, what's happening? Come in, Star Command. Come in, Star Command. Oh, did I lose my score? I wonder if we're gonna go back to 0. Oh my God. Are we going back to 0? I got 888,000. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? 0. Not again. Are we gonna lose our points? All right, looks like I'm up to 2,000 now. 2,100. Let me try and get more. Oh, 100. What? 22,000? I must have hit the middle there. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. When I hit the middle over there, I'm doing good.
No, stop that. I'm indestructible. Do you hear?
Oh, 112,000. All right, game is over. Will I make Galactic Hero with 112,400? Buzz. Buzz.
To infinity
I need more training,
and
Buzz.
beyond.
All right, 112,000 doesn't even make the board. Yeah, it does. I'm a planetary pilot, not a galactic hero. You need 999,999 for that. Planetary pilot it is. We do not have lightning lane for PeopleMover, so we're gonna make the line. It looks like it would take longer, but it's only 15 minutes. We're on the second floor now. I love this platform where we disembark. It's so cool. Back on the speed ramp, the Goodyear speed ramp. This time we're going down. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'll see you next time, guys.